marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Northerly Island to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 11:30 p.m. At 9:53 p.m., showers were located along a line extending from 10 nautical miles northeast of Harrison Beaver Cliff to 6 nautical miles northeast of Jackson Park Harbor to 8 nautical miles southwest of Hammond Marina, moving northeast at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, Seaman Station. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Calumet Harbor, Indiana Harbor, Burns Harbor, Marina Shores at Dune Harbor, 59th Street Marina, Hammond Marina, and Jackson Park Harbor. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The Lake Michigan forecast for Sheboygan, Wisconsin to Edgewater, Michigan south.